Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing Morph Transition template in just a few clicks. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up a blank slide and you're going to insert a long image. And for example, I'm just going to use the image of Burj Al Khalifa. And what I'm going to do is just drag it down that the upper corner touches the upper corner of the slide. Now let's crop it that it fills the entire slide. And what we're going to do is insert a circle right here onto the right side, remove its outline, give it a white fill, and then we're going to put it right here and connect it with a line from one corner. Let's change the line's color to white as well. What we're going to do is insert a text box right here in which we're going to write our title, and what we're going to do is increase its size, change its font, and we're going to change its color to white as well. Here you go. Next, we're going to move it upwards and increase its size as well. Now let me just paste my content text, and what I'm going to do is remove everything and only keep a little bit chunk of text, and I'm going to decrease its size and change its fill to white so that we can clearly see it in the blue sky. So what we're going to do is change its font to Calibri Light because that is a font best suitable for your body text. Next, we're going to duplicate everything and then we're going to put it right here downwards as well. And for the text, let's just change the title and also change its alignment. The alignment will go to the right side. As you can see, it is right now onto the left. Now we're going to change it to the right. So the text, the content text will also align to the right side. And here you go. Next, what we're going to do is just move the text upwards and duplicate the slide. And for the image, let's just go to crop and move it into the middle of the image. We're going to move these text along with the circle out of the slide and then duplicate it and then put it onto our slide back. Similarly, we're going to do the same to the next of the text box. We're going to move new text boxes in which we're going to write new titles, and we're gonna change their location as well. And then what we're gonna do is put them right here, copy them, and then paste them onto the previous slide and move them either upwards or either downwards. So this is upon you where you want it to appear. So let's just duplicate the second slide and then go to crop and move the last part of the image into the slide. Go to format shape, go to picture corrections and decrease its brightness because this part is in this part of our uh, slide we are not able to see our text. So to make our text visible, we're going to just like use brightness, less brightness, and next we're gonna copy and paste our text and move it out of our slide either onto the left, right, or top or bottom. Here you go. Let's just change our title. Let's also change our text. Here you go. Now copy everything and paste it onto your previous slide and move it out of your slide. So I'll just select this and move it upwards, and for this downward text, I'll just gonna move this downwards. Select all of your slides, go to transitions tab, and then give them more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.